how to make your Snapchat profile public. Now let's jump straight into the process. Open your Snapchat app. Here we go. Scroll down. Over here you can find this option of create public profile. Tap on it. Now tap on continue. Tap on get started. Tap on create. It is in the process. Now tap on my public profile. Now it is created. This is very easy and simple process. You can now edit it. Tap on edit profile. Now you can just fill up this information to complete your profile. You can just add photo to your profile and then you can just add something to your bio. You can add the location as well. You can just type in the location. If you want to show subscriber count, you can just turn on this icon. Once you are done, go back and tap on preview profile. In this way, you can easily create your Snapchat public profile. At the end, if you find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also comment down below what you guys want to see in upcoming videos. Thank you.